Push up!
I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Great Park. Alright, Park, we're back. Yo, Park. Hey, what's up, Park?
What up, guys?
What is up, everyone?
Yes, today's gonna be a very busy but fun day. We are having our Stargazers fun family picnic day, and also it's Carlo's surprise party. His go away party.
So, we'll bring you guys along with that. Here, hi. What? We found Justin.
Yes.
Want to be in my video?
Oh, yes.
Oh, sorry. Alright, so Carlo's on his way.
on his way.
We're gonna mess him up.
We're gonna mess him up good. Let's go, boy. You're gonna get what you deserve.
Literally, it was about yay high.
Yeah, it was, right?
About yay wide. You can see it has left its mark like a tan line on the ground.
Take it out.
What up? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Snarlo stages.
Hey, you forgot me,
What the?
Dude,
All
you
of
guys
us.
are lucky I didn't bring out my freaking Panda 1.
Ahmed impression.
Hello, guys.
I got it.
That's
So what's up, guys? We're here. We're at Carlo's party, and you know, thanks for bringing out these fire shorts.
Fam. What's on your feet tonight, fam?
The Yeezys.
All of a sudden,
Fire
Yeezys. Okay, Ahmed impression. Oh wait, no, YGM, man. I'm stupid. Hey, YGM impression.
You know what I mean? I can't do watching right now, bro. So.
He got that, dude. He got that. Hello? Hello? Easy, I can't talk right now. Alright. What's up, guy?
Keep going.
No.
That was Chow Flacca Pla from Maxload Productions. Ow!
You're such a little girl.
You understand that? What did it say?
I'm gonna go home and eat this all by myself. Today we have a special guest with us. Introduce yourself.
Hi, guys. I'm Ron from Just Stuff channel. Yeah, see, everyone's just excited. As I am.
We're doing a challenge for you guys today. We're gonna do the sound effects challenge. So this challenge is we're gonna take turns saying sounds and making any noise we want, our unique noise, and each of us has to copy it. Example, Kobe. No, okay, easy, make it easy.
Make it easy, fam.
Example. Ha. 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 Ding, ding, ding. We're gonna start now.
So I'm first.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Okay, okay. Here we go, AJ.
Alright. My turn. Let's do this.
Thank you for the easy one. Oh, my turn. There we go. I know, huh? Isn't that challenging? Come on, come on.
Round 2.
Two. It's getting hot, man.
Easy, easy.
Yeah, it's
Alright.
Oh shit, that was
you look like you had a seizure there.
Dude, ready?
It's so. I don't know what the heck the sound is. I think we lost that one.
Oh, my boy, go. It's the same thing. Okay. Sounds good. Run to
Oh, it's my turn. Oh man.
That's so hard.
Clearly you can tell who's driving here.
Okay.
Round 3.
I'll be the echo. I mean, these songs are reflecting their lives right now, so I thought I have a screwed up life. Inner engine. Inner engine.
I think I swam already.
Gotta channel your inner John.
That was some. Here we go.
Speak Chinese, guys.
Speak Chinese.
Speak Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Vietnamese.
Oh, okay, we're going Asian, guys. Going Asian.
Mastered. It's like I told you. Okay. Round last. Round last. Okay.
That was like, bro.
Yes.
Wait, hold on.
What's you?
I don't know what that is.
It's the hardest one. That's why I've been practicing this. Yeah.
Don't die, guys.
What is that? Holy! Can you be the one next to me?
I don't know what that was.
My turn. All right.
There's so much things I could say right now with these sounds. I don't know. I think we clearly know who the loser is.
Final sound. Final sound. Final sound. Yeah. Oh, you mean call someone in? Call someone?
Yeah.
Can you have a savior?
I can have a savior. What?
Make the hardest sound you can possibly make.
What is up, guys? This is Carlo right here.
Is this a savior? Make the hardest sound that you can possibly make.
He came from Atlantic Sound.
Make a sound, come on.
Oh, that's easy.
Easy.
Shoot.
Oh, that was a strange game.